Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to share a new voice call link on WhatsApp using the PC app. This feature is part of WhatsApp's latest update, making it easier than ever to connect with your contacts. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the official WhatsApp website and link it to your phone by scanning the QR code. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see a phone icon. Click on it. This will take you to the Calls section of WhatsApp. Next, click on the option labeled New Call Link. A small menu will appear asking you to choose the type of call. Select Voice to create a voice call link. After selecting Voice, click on Send Link via WhatsApp. This will open your contact list within the app. Now choose the contacts or groups you want to share this link with. Once selected, simply click Send, and your voice call link will be shared instantly. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a voice call link on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is perfect for inviting multiple people to join a call seamlessly. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience. Happy calling!